Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. A fantastic eliminator of UCS the 100, year 11, season 2024-25 will commence in a few minutes. As you can see, friends have won the toss. They decided to bowl first, meaning they are more comfortable in chasing. केड़ा सिलेक्ट किया सी केड़ा सिलेक्ट किया है नहीं नहीं आ रहे लेकिन तुसी बंद किया है Umar Dawar running in. Played in a miss, immediate swing and right on the money there. Swinging in and Sarfaraz playing it elegantly. However, not much power in that. The fielder a bit slow there as well. 2 runs taken and Sarfaraz off the mark. Sarfaraz and Meher Noor have been given the task to open and play towards square leg, running away for a boundary, a bit of slippage by the fielder and 4 runs. Both teams are the titans of Alan cricket. Therefore, we expect a competitive match today. Edge and oh my goodness, fingertips touch should have been taken and another boundary. Hard luck for the bowler. And that is slashed over covers and smashed for 4. I would say out of the 3 fours, this was the one which was more in control by Sarfaraz. The one towards the square leg was more credited to the fielder. And the one gone over short third man was also a chance, but this one was much confident. So the first over finishes off with 14 runs. Wasim will now start the second over. Meher Noor will now face his first delivery. A fantastic start for 11 stars. They couldn't have asked for a better start than this one. 14 of 5 deliveries. Wasim running in from golf course end. Tried the stumps. Not an impressive throw. Slow and Wasim has taken 185 wickets in his career so far, an economy of 8.97. Early wickets definitely would be friend CC's aim. That should be taken and taken. And that is the end of Meher. Dropped. Oh, that's dropped. Apologies. Pressure. Luck going 11 stars way. Nervous jitters for friend CC. I feel they're a bit nervous. How expensive will this catch be? Up in the air, not in ideal zone by the bowler, and has been dispatched for a magnificent 6 towards extra cover. And catches win matches. And drop catches win matches for the other team for sure. Let's see how expensive this missed catch would be. 2 catches drop, one was difficult one, this was should have been taken. However, Sarfaraz continuing. And not in control there. Definitely there was not a chance for a catch. Sarfaraz riding his luck here. Magnificent stuff from him. 22 from just 7 deliveries. Meher Noor is on non-striker end. A bit lucky there as well with a drop catch by Raheel. Slower one, but picked and taken. That's a big wicket. Intelligent cricket, the pace taken off the ball, and Sarfaraz playing away from his body. Not a technically correct way to play. And Yusuf, a well-experienced campaigner, shows his team how to take one. However, a good start nevertheless by Sarfaraz. Good delivery. One of the over. Syed Zargham is on the non-striker end. He has been given the task now. A successful over at the end. Slightly expensive, but nevertheless a valuable wicket has been taken by friends. Meher Noor, a bit jittery. Ahmed Afridi, the youngster, 112 wickets. Good pace. Good future prospect for Alan. UCL is also now part of the custodian team of the Emirates Blues state team. And we really are interested in young talent. And Ahmed Afridi is definitely one of them. The idea of UCL's especially trophy division is to promote young talent. No offense to friends like me who are above 40 or near 40, but from a sports future opportunity perspective, definitely that age is gone. Now is the age to groom and to mentor the young talent, especially if you're under 20. Aborting his run-up here. Meher Noor so far is not that confident as far as his shot execution is concerned. He perhaps need to bide a bit of time. Plenty of time left. Not bad, although it's a boundary, I would still say. Not a correct technically or perfectly executed shot so far. He's struggling. So there's plenty of time there ahead of the curve as far as the economy rate is concerned. So, or maybe this is the way he plays. So he needs to play as per his plan. If it works, why not? Oh, a bit of outswing there, and that's not the shot he was playing. He was playing towards cow corner, completely a different trajectory. Play and a miss. A premeditated shot there. 31 in 15 deliveries. So 6 runs of this over, I would say an economical one, considering it is in the power play. Sachin has been tasked Sachin right on the money there. An interesting ploy for Zargham. and he's gone. The ploy works. Excellent delivery, and that plan worked like a charm. Top notch stuff. Excellent. Excellent. A very critical, very critical wicket there. Sarji, sir. ठीक है ठीक है तो फिर मैं कि भाई अपनी रोटी पाओ दे ये रोटी देसी पाने नहीं लिया Sachin Bandara, a dream wicket for his captain. What a start. Salim walks in. A Dubai-based player for 11 Stars. Very dangerous. Punch towards long off and a single taken off the mark immediately. And appeal for LB, the umpire unfazed. Maybe that's the angle. The trajectory perhaps convinced the umpire there. Nevertheless, Sachin doing very well. That's a magnificent over. Ahmed Afridi being brought back to the attack. So 4 overs gone, 32 for 2, 1 over left for power play. After a fantastic first couple of overs, friends pushing back with wickets. This is in spite of the fact that they dropped a couple of catches. Their bowlers have done well. Ahmed Afridi continuing with his second over. His first was very economical. Now the question is, can he continue the pressure? This is a very critical over. It's a power play over. Played and miss there. Not an impressive shot. Up in the air and one bounce over the rope, that would be a boundary. The batsman absolutely clueless there. No credit to the batsman there, only a thick edge over the keeper. Hard luck for the bowler there. The batsman definitely is nervous about the pace. The first shot selection and this one is the same. Edge, one bounce. There was a chance of a catch, I would say, and it would have been a fantastic one. But safer option taken. Maharnoor comes back to the attack. So far, Salim uncomfortable in front of Ahmed Afridi. A risky single, maybe not worth it, but nevertheless without incident. At this stage, when you have 2 wickets in the dugout, I would say the risk factor should be reduced. One delivery left for Ahmed Afridi. Oh, and it's gone! That is magnificent delivery. Salim had absolutely no idea what came his way. And Ahmed Afridi, who has been dominating Salim from the first delivery he has faced, ends the over with a magnificent clean bowl. A deadly Yorker. You couldn't ask a better Yorker than this one. And Salim walks back to the pavilion. A complete domination by Ahmed Afridi. Fantastic stuff. Nadeem Bhattu walks in. Umar Dawar has been brought back to the attack. Power play is finished. Circle now open. Umar Dawar was a bit expensive in his first over. Can he redeem himself? Nadeem Bhattu and Maharnoor need a partnership for their team. That backup was not as much as ready. If you need to do such things, the backup should be ready there. The keeper was also not much interested. Umar Dawar 127 wickets. So Maharnoor still struggling on the non-striker end. Nadeem Bhattu playing his first delivery. Play towards long on. A single off the mark immediately. Maharnoor even now I feel is struggling a bit. "27 deliveries, 40 runs. Slower delivery again played towards long on. Single. As long as friends can avoid boundaries, I think they would be happy. On the other hand, 11 stars would feel that they are still ahead of the curve. Their current run rate 7.32, so they can absorb couple of consolidation overs rather than losing another wicket, which would definitely create a crisis at their end. An appeal for LB, and he's gone! He is gone. Not surprised there. End of Nadeem Vattu and friends on fire. Fourth wicket. Back to the pavilion. 41 for 4. "41 for 4. 29 balls gone. Umar Dawar strikes. Wasim walks in, highly experienced. He has seen such situation multiple times. What friends have done by picking those 4 wickets is that they've taken the initiative for the first 10 overs from 11 stars. It will take a Herculean effort now for 11 stars to accelerate on a rapid pace where they might be targeting 200, for example. So let's see. Wasim facing. Front foot and defended well. That's the end of the 6th over. 30 balls gone. 41 for 4. And a fantastic eliminator underway as of now. You couldn't expect a better competition between these two giants of Alan than this one. A good, fantastic first over played by 11 stars. Umar Dawar was taken to the cleaners. Couple of catches dropped by friends as well. But then what a comeback by 4 wickets. Wickets matter a lot in any format of cricket. Raheel has been brought back. So it seems that the mantra for friends as of now is shuffling of bowlers, not letting the batsmen settle. That is also one of the strategies many captains around the world prefer, especially if you have a familiar foe in front of you. Mahar Noor still surviving. Up in the air, not in control, but still a 6. That is the power of Mahar Noor. Why not throw Sachin another over here? That's a bit surprising for me. Definitely he's taken a big wicket in the previous over, so definitely there has to be a pressure on the batsman. And that should be a 6. Oh, what a catch! And magnificent catch! In front of the dugout of 11 stars, with the captain's hand over his head, one-handed jump, and like jaunty roads, but on the boundary. Fantastic stuff. Catches win matches, and Ahmed Afridi has done his bit for his team in fielding as well. Magnificent effort. And Mahar Noor's resistance, you can say, and survival at the pitch finishes 5 wickets gone. 11 stars definitely in a bit of bother there. No matter you have a batting lineup till your 11th player, when your 5 wickets are gone before the half of the innings, mind you, only 32 deliveries have been delivered. That's a crisis for your team for sure. 47 for 5. Usama Shah, the experienced campaigner, is now with Wasim. Both these gentlemen are highly experienced, and it's their experience they have to use. They understand there are still 68 balls left in this match. Plenty of time. Therefore, there needs to be a partnership. The focus should be on partnership. Couple of overs without boundaries won't hurt 11 stars. However, mind you, another wicket here would definitely corner them. An iffy appeal. The bowler was not confident. The umpire, the senior experienced Ishaq by not moved. He has seen a lot of such appeals, and he's a man of substance. If he doesn't see any substance in the appeal, he will not raise his finger. However, a good delivery indeed. Up in the air, and that is the end of Usama. A very bad selection of shot, and as the time I was saying that partnership is the key here, and these two experienced gentlemen should understand the sensitivity of the phase of the match for their team. Out goes a loose hit towards cow corner, and a brilliant catch taken easy. Yusuf Khan Barki once again amongst the catch. This is his second catch of the day, and he takes it flawlessly. 47 for 6. The experienced Fayaz Ahmed on the crease now. He has seen the situations many times, and definitely it is expected from both these gentlemen to control their emotions and try to build a partnership. 48 for 6 in 35 deliveries. Ahmed, आप will continue? Oh, inside edge there, and a good delivery by Ahmed. Right on the money there. Is very pacey today. Took one wicket of Salim. This is his third over. In 11 deliveries, he has conceded 11 runs and taken 1 wicket, which is so far a fantastic spell. Oh, that's a fantastic delivery by the wide, which means one of the over as well. Third man taken in. Should be another wide. 11 stars would welcome any extras their way. 50 for 6 in 36 deliveries. The projected score as of now is 139. I think if they can play their cards well, they might go up to 160, but they need to be very precise. Oh, magnificent delivery. Right on the money there. And that is a beautiful boundary by Fayaz. And another single taken, taking their time, settling in, moving the scorecard as well. 40 deliveries gone, 56 for 6. Wasim facing Wasim. Played very well. Extra cover should be just a single. I think that's the idea. Plenty of time left, still 59 deliveries left in this match. Plenty of runs, plenty of opportunities for 11 stars. Plenty of time to consolidate. Out of all the wickets, I must say, I was deeply disappointed by Usama's wicket. He's an experienced campaigner. He's played state level as well. When you're at the pitch and you know that 5 are down and the other team wants your wicket at all costs, you shouldn't be playing such expensive shots so early. Played well towards a point, shied the stumps. The umpire unfazed. I think it's a bit late. Slight delay, I would say, but nevertheless, good effort by the fielder. I also had this gut feeling that he made it. The last thing 11 stars would want is a run out. The same instruction from the dugout.
Fire! Fire! रन पड़ गए किसको ये इनको बोला भी था वॉकी टॉकी ले लो उस्मान भाई ने डंडा दे दिया भाई आज आर्गुमेंट नहीं करो ना भाई आर्गुमेंट नहीं करो आजो 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 आर्गुमेंट करना पड़ता है
This tournament allows on 25, 50, 75 deliveries for a water break. If a boundary is beyond 50 meters, you're allowed to have water break. If the ball goes outside the in the parking, you're allowed to have water break. If there is a wicket in between, you're allowed to have water break. Wasn't a good delivery, I would say. Wasim definitely was looking to play towards square leg. Perhaps a missed opportunity. 45 balls and 61 runs. Plenty of balls left, 55 balls stiff left, 61 for 6 and 45 deliveries.
Sixty-one.
61 for 6. Very well played there by Wasim. That is intelligent cricket. And this is what is required by these two experienced gentlemen. They need to develop a partnership here. They still have more than half the match. Again, very well played and a single taken. Wasim seems a bit comfortable. Fayaz is also a bit comfortable at this stage. Still 53 deliveries left, plenty of match. They are at 62. They can afford run a ball as well and think about if any aggression after the 15th over. That is a wide delivery by the umpire. So wide delivery, a bit strange. I thought very strange. The captain and the vice captain definitely not happy with that wide delivery. Tell you what, same here. Excellent steady delivery there. Good delivery, very well played, but fielder Ansari is there.
No doubt.
Wide delivery by the umpire. That's a wide ball once again. That's a better delivery and well played by Wasim. Now water break is allowed. Yes यार भागे. अब hurry up boys, come on. Water break is allowed, come on. Why are you hesitating? But you have 2 minutes. You have 2 minutes only, hurry up please. Played and missed by the keeper, and should be a bye. It is. Yusuf, excellent delivery, but the keeper unfortunately couldn't hold up. Fayaz on strike. Slow and steady, a good partnership is underway by these two gentlemen. Should be a wide. It is. Keeper not vigilant in both these instances. Yusuf is not a fast-paced bowler. Nevertheless, 11 Stars would welcome any runs. The projected score is now nearly 140, which means they are doing well. The flow of wickets have been stopped. Edged and gone, and as soon as I was mentioning, Wasim unfortunately plays a rash shot, I would say, and edges to the keeper. The keeper doing well this time, and a critical wicket, the 7th one taken. Fayaz at non-striker end, his reaction is very clear. He knows that this was definitely not on the cards. A senior player like Wasim playing unfortunately a careless shot there, walking back to the dugout, and a critical wicket taken by Friends. Saki Jani, a critical batsman. That's a wide delivery. Yes and no, and a bit of misfield there.
क्वेश्चन साढ़े को नहीं कर रहे हैं कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं कोई आंसर देने से ਅਸੀਂ ਬੈਠੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਕਿਹੜਾ ਕਿ ਕਹਿ ਰਹੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰਦੇ ਤਰੀਕਾ ਕਾਰ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕਿ ਸਭ ਵੈਸੇ ਕੈਪਟਨ ਵਾਈਸ
ਚਲੋ ਕਮਾਨ and dot ball again. There is no hurry here, plenty of time still. There are 46 deliveries left. It's 72 for 7 in 54 deliveries. Yusuf bowling very well here. Can he take another one? That's the question. Edged towards third man, running away for a boundary, a welcome boundary For 11 stars, they will take it anyway, it will come. 76 for 7. In 55 deliveries. अच्छा वो नहीं हो पता भी कितना माशाल्लाह उन्होंने मैच चला ऐसा ਉਹਦਾ ਤਰੀਕਾ ਹੈਗਾ ਕਿ ਮੂਵੀ ਬਣਦੇ ਹੋਏ ਇਸ ਟਾਈਮ 'ਤੇ 1 ਘੰਟਾ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ ਲੇਕਿਨ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਲਾਓ ਨਾ ਬ੍ਰੇਕ ਹੈਗੀ ਵਾਟਰ ਬ੍ਰੇਕ ਅਗਲੇ ਨੇ 5 ਮਿੰਟ ਉੱਥੇ ਲਾਏ ਨੇ ਹਾਂ ਪਲੱਸ ਮੇਰੇ ਨਾਲ ਹਰ ਆਊਟ ਦਾ ਤੁਸੀਂ 1 ਮਿੰਟ ਦੇ ਸਕਦੇ ਤੋਂ ਪੈਸੇ ਉੱਤੋਂ ਮੇਰੇ ਨਾਲ 1 ਮਿੰਟ ਬੈਸਟ ਵੇਸਟ ਕੀਤਾ ये सब भाई आप लोग लेट जा रहे हो उनको बोलो A gentle nudge there and a single taken by Fayaz, playing very maturely. अंदर भाई Another single taken. That's a good strategy. Keep the score ticker moving. Wait for the bad delivery. Wait for the extras. And that is slashed and dropped. Overzealous approach, I would say, should have been taken. Slightly uncharacteristic hit by Fayaz. Still a lot of match left. Shouldn't have played that, if you take my opinion. Should wait till the 15th, end of 15th over. 25 deliveries when they are left. That's the time some chances can be taken. That's a wide delivery. Extras are coming in. Ten extras so far, out of which 10 wide deliveries. Played a miss there by Saki. Nudge towards Gully and a single taken. That's the end of the 60th ball. 12 overs gone. It's 81 for 7. towards play towards long off, a single taken. The good thing for 11 stars so far is that they are making sure that the scoreboard is ticking forward. They've lost a lot of wickets here, but there is not much stagnancy in their score. The current run rate is still 6.72. They want to give something to their bowlers. Fayaz himself will be very critical when it comes to bowling as well. Slower one, but a slight low full toss play towards long off, a single taken. Fayaz biding his time there. He knows he's very critical. Still 38 deliveries left. 83. Not in control. Shy at the stumps and easy single given. Keeper nowhere to be found there. Senseless throw by friends. Poor fielding. Each and every run matters here, and that was very trivial. 11 stars would take it any time. Not an impressive show of fielding there by friend CC. It's a bit disheartening for the bowler as well. Batsman definitely will take these runs anytime, anywhere. Saki facing Yusuf. And that will run away for 4. And it does. Welcome a boundary. That was a poor delivery. Off cutter played very well by Saki towards the leg side. Still one ball to go. Eight runs from 4 deliveries so far. So a good over for 11 stars. They do not need to play any harsh or rash shot. If such runs are coming, no need to take any risks. That's a better delivery, the first dot ball of the over. And that is the end of the over. 89 for the loss of 7 wickets in 65 deliveries. 35 deliveries left. Played well towards covers. There's a fielder there. Again, too much acrobatic stuff by the fielder. Overzealous, I would say. That is played towards covers. Single taken. And that is gone for a six. A massive six outside the park. Firm and steady hit by Fayyaz. And the drop catch definitely would hurt friends here. Fayyaz is not a batsman whose catch you should drop, but what a fantastic hit. Right from the moment he hit it, there was six written all over it. Continuing the game. What a fantastic six by Fayyaz. Better delivery. Will definitely be a single. A lot will ride on Saki Jani as well. He's a firm hitter of the ball, and his team definitely would want him to hit a few. Very interesting encouragement by Wasim to Ahmed to have a shy at the stump, saying that I'll stop it, but he was nowhere near to stop it. There was no backup. 99 in 70 deliveries. Yeah, break भी चला कर यार 30 बॉलें रह गई हैं
15 फास्ट लगाए जा रहे हो तो फैज के सामने स्पिन लगा दो चमड़ा निकाल दे
Batting team dugout. After 5 balls, you can bring in water, so please be ready, okay? और सैफ भाई ओके and that is a glance towards the short fine leg, a single. 100 up for 11 stars. A good gritty effort by 11 stars after losing 7 wickets. There was time where it looked that they might barely reach 120, but they still have 29 deliveries left. Fayaz is on crease as well. Up in the air, and a 6. Harun sitting beside me predicted this 6. Partnership goes to 35. Excellent delivery. Equally excellently dispatched by Fayaz towards 6. That is slashed towards gully and a 4. A good over for 11 stars. The strategy for friends to consist with or persist, as they say, with fast bowling is not helping them. They are stuck with that 7 wickets mark. 11 stars doing well, taking the initiative back from friends, and the pillar for 11 stars being Fayaz Ahmed, 29 from 16 deliveries. Felt like bad, and it is. Oh, that was a bad delivery, but advantage could not be taken. Definitely not a beamer. The ball dipped down. End of the over. 111, 75 balls done. Fred CC, your over rate is very poor, and that is your problem because you are delaying a lot in the field. Your discussions are non-ending. Already? ओ यार लेके आ जाओ. Umar Dawar brought back into the attack. Played and a miss, a good delivery. Played well towards covers and will go for a boundary. Magnificent stuff. And seems like the trajectory of 11 Stars runs have started. The current run rate is 7.47. The projected score goes up to 150. So what a good comeback by 11 Stars. Friends, bowling attack has been very unitrack, a very singular type. That is a hit firm, one bounce and 4. Back to back 2 boundaries. Magnificent stuff by Fayaz. So far, Dawar after first dot ball is clueless. 2 back-to-back 4s. Fayaz upping the ante. Edged and over gully, running away for 4. Another poor delivery, too much room for the batsman. Just focusing on pace. 50 runs partnership on 27 deliveries. And 42 out of that 50 run partnership goes to Fayaz. Excellent stuff. That's a match winning innings he's playing. Bowler so far clueless. One more ball to go. Can this be another boundary for Fayaz? Definitely he'll try to rotate the strike. That's what I was about to say, which he has done wonderfully, making sure he's going to face the next bowler. 124, last 20 deliveries left. A bit of stagnancy as far as captaincy is concerned. 11 Stars needed a partnership, and Friends needed a wicket at that time. However, they kept on bowling a same pace. Raheel to a lefty. Let's see. It's a bit of dangerous move. Fayaz is an excellent pair of spinners. Flatter, and the umpire unmoved. And that is absolute horrible fielding. Again, more focus on acrobats rather than basics of the fielding. And that was not required. However, 50 up for, sorry, not 50 up, 47, if I'm not wrong. Fayaz on 47. And he comes with a 6 for his 50 milestone. Friends, losing the plot here. Fayaz 53 from 26 deliveries. $134. 2 deliveries left for Raheel. Fayaz on song here. Magnificent inning so far. Poor delivery. And goes for another boundary. A bad decision by the captain to bring in a leg spinner to a left-handed batsman. This is a death over, so a very peculiar and interesting decision. Backfiring. 138. If you have to resort to a faster one, this means the batsmen have succeeded. Very good over for 11 stars. In my personal view, a bad decision to bring a leg spinner. Again, a very delayed decision. A bowler who has taken a wicket, conceding just 1 run, is being brought at this stage. That is a very unique track, I would say. Gamble which 11 stars would revel. They'll be really happy. And that is poor keeping. The keeper today has been off color, and this is not what they wanted. Fayaz would really love to be on strike. He is seeing the ball very clearly now. That is a good delivery. It's a wide, but again, this should have been done before. It's a very captain's strange decision to not bring a wicket taker immediately. In my view, friends actually lost initiative. $140. Still 14 deliveries left. I think 11 stars will cross 160 for sure. 14 deliveries. At least they can afford to have 20 runs. Saif Al Jabri, the captain. A quick single taken. And he's gone, wicket. And Sakijani was a bit slow to run. And a good throw, and that's the end of the wicket. Tariq Khan. He can bat. 12 deliveries left. They know these 12 deliveries are very critical. Very well played there towards mid wicket. I think they'll take a single, which 141, 89 deliveries. And the appeal, the umpire is not amused. $90. Sachin will continue. Oh, very well played. But should be a single. Well swept. I'm a fan of a sweep shot. So really loved that finally somebody played it. Well done, Saif. Played and a miss by Tariq. And that is the end. 143 is the target. With 4 spinners, 11 stars will definitely fancy defending that target, and we'll be back with the next innings soon.